Hey guys, adventure is out there. This is Asad Yaqub.
This is Asad.
And this is Shumaila Najar.
And this is Yasin Hafiz.
And we are going to climb this mountain because we want to make some Ielts videos. And this is the little hill which we are going to climb. And you're going to be with us. So let's start. What do we say? Adventure is
Out there.
Out there. Yeah. Wow. That's beautiful. This is the way to the mountain. Yeah. Started like a hiking. Ooh. It's gonna be a little dangerous, but we are ready for that. Let's see. Oh. There we are. So we just want to tell you, in order to make Ielts videos, we have to do a lot of stuff. Okay? Yeah. Cool. Now we go ahead. Yay! We did it! Finally, I just show you the view. There we are. How are you feeling?
Great!
And you?
Good.
And you?
Good.
See, it's all of us here, and you can see the spectacular view. Alright, now we are going to make some Ielts videos. So, let's take a start. Okay? Yeah, Yasin, ready?
Yes, ready.
Yasin is always ready. And Shumaila, what about you?
Yes.
Haha, Mustain.
Ready.
This time Mustain has joined us as well. So, let's see. Mustain Asad is also going to be an adventurer. Okay guys, let's make a set and we start.